So far, everything that we have done up to this point has been a general overview of the Microsoft Word program. We're going to start getting a little bit more detailed in what the Microsoft Word program can actually do. To start, let's explore the Word program window. By doing this, it allows us to familiarize ourselves with the different options that are available to us when we are creating a document. So, first and foremost, let's start off by opening our Microsoft Word program. We should now be looking at a blank document in front of us. So let's go ahead and get a little bit more familiarized with the different options that are going to be available to us when it comes time to editing a document in Microsoft Word. First thing that we want to become familiarized with is referred to as the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar contains buttons that are used for saving a document, for undoing, redoing, and repeating a change. You can modify the Quick Access Toolbar to include the commands that you frequently use. The next thing that we have here is the File tab. This File tab provides access to what we refer to as the Backstage view. This is where we can manage our files and the information about them. Next to the File tab, we have what's referred to as the ribbon. The ribbon is actually what contains each of these tabs along the top. Each tab on this ribbon includes commands that are related to editing and formatting these documents. For example, when we click on the Home tab, we have one set of options that are available to us. When we click on the Insert tab, it changes completely to another set of options. Take a moment to go through each of these tabs and become somewhat familiar with the different options that are available to you. Once you feel comfortable with the options available, we'll go on to our next step. Now that we've become a little bit more familiarized with the ribbon and with the different tabs as well as the options contained in each tab, let's turn our attention toward the actual document window. This is where we would actually display the current document as well as the text and the format of your document that appears here in front of us. Now that we've become a little bit more familiarized with the ribbon, the tabs, and the options contained in each tab, we'll turn our attention toward the document window. The document window displays the current document, and it also allows you to enter the text and format your document. If we look in the lower right-hand side, or just on the right-hand side of your document, you'll see this little bar here. What this is your vertical scroll bar. It also includes arrows at the top and arrows at the bottom. What this is your scroll arrow. You have two ways that you can go about navigating the document. You can either click and hold and move the scroll bar, or you can use the arrows located at the top and the bottom of that bar. To the left of it, you have what's referred to as the zoom slider, as well as the zoom level. You could zoom in or out using the buttons, or once again clicking, holding, and moving that way. To the left of that, you have what's referred to as the view buttons. These view buttons change the viewpoint of your document that you're currently working on. You have the print layout, you have the full screen reading, the web layout, outline, and draft. Feel free when you have some time to go over those different layouts to see how it changes the document. So there you have it. We've just accomplished exploring the Word program window. By becoming familiar with these options that we discussed here, it allows you to become more efficient in the use of Microsoft Word.